So, first of all, thank you for the invitation. मेरा नाम डॉक्टर केशव मेहरा है. I am a pediatrician as well as a pediatric intensivist, and I am associated with KMAX American Hospital. So, आज सॉल्वर्ड स्कूल के अंदर जो एनुअल डे था, it was a very unique experience for me. यहाँ का जो environment है, it is very warm, and the way kids and parents were participating as well as the teachers, उन्होंने भी participate किया. It was a treat to watch. As far as I remember, मैंने जब मैं कुछ बच्चा था तब भी ऐसा कोई एनुअल फंक्शन नहीं देखा, और नाउ एज बीइंग एन एडल्ट आई अटेंड स्कूल फंक्शंस, पर मैंने कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया. तो आई वुड रियली लाइक टू कमेंड एंड अपलॉड द टीम ऑफ सॉल्वर्ड स्कूल. they are doing a commendable. Thank you.
Myself Himanshu from AIG Hospital, Dharamnagar. मैम एक्सपीरियंस रियली अमेजिंग. स्टॉलवर्ड स्कूल में जो बच्चों के लिए आज एक फंक्शन रखा था जिसमें कि हमें इन्वाइट किया गया, मैं तो एक स्कूल मैनेजमेंट का काफ़ी थैंकफुल रहूँगा कि उसने हमें एक बार फिर से अपना जीवन जीने का मौका दिया. और मैम इज़ डूइंग अ रियली गुड जॉब फॉर द किड्स. बच्चे की ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो बच्चे को चाहिए मैम वो सब कुछ प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. और मेरे तो पेरेंट्स को बस यही है कि उसको आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड रखें. अगर बच्चे को कुछ सिखाया जा रहा है तो उसको घर पे भी उतना ही वो कंटिन्यूटी में रहने दें ताकि बच्चा अच्छा एक नागरिक बन सके.
No, it is the actually inspiration भी बच्चे ही. The thought behind goes when I want to be the best for the kids. Because this was their first performance और सिर्फ exclusively it was for nursery and junior KG. So to make the environment safe and welcoming for them, कि इनको डर ना लगे या स्टेज को का हुआ ना बने, इन पे घबराए ना. So we included parents as well as teachers and senior students also with them, so that they just do it candidly. इनको किसी चीज का डर ना रहे. In a comfort zone they perform and they bring forward their talent, their confidence, their potential, everything. That is for me, like अगर हम एक अच्छी अपब्रिंगिंग चाहते हैं बच्चों के लिए, so like both the environments are very very important, घर का और स्कूल का. घर में आजकल as a educationist I meet so many parents. कुछ माहौल खराब चल रहे हैं where there are issues between the partners. उसका डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट जो होता है वो बच्चों पे होता है. So whatever your issues are there, kindly solve it in the walls and let child not be affected. Because एक आप जीव को जब लेकर आए हो धरती पे, it is your responsibility to bring him well, entirely well. तो उसका mental stability, emotional stability is very very essential for the all-round development of the child. नहीं तो बच्चे में कहीं ना कहीं actually वो बचपन की यादें खराब करती हैं बच्चे को, तो बाहर बड़े होकर उनका कुछ ना कुछ संतुलन खराब हुआ होता है. तो इसमें हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि घर का एनवायरनमेंट बहुत पीसफुल रखो, हैप्पी रखो, कंफर्टेबल रखो, सो दैट देयर इज अ ओवरऑल ग्रोथ ऑफ द चाइल्ड. थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ हैप्पी होली एवरीबॉडी. So I'm headmistress Vasundhara from Salvas Pearl School. We had our annual day for our very toddlers, the playpen to junior KG students, who were just from 2 years old till the age group of 4 years old, and it was their first annual function. पहली बार वो स्टेज पे उन्होंने डांस किया है, and they didn't have any fear, nothing. They were so confident, इतना self esteem उनका high था, and it was so beautiful to watch them. And the parents were crying. They got so overwhelmed with their cute performances. They were dressed in lungis and kurtas and saris, and the little 3-year-old girls were carrying saris so beautifully. और इसी के साथ हमारी admissions are also open for the coming session, and we are actually rather going to close the admissions pretty soon. And on 18th of March, we have our Me and My Mom program, which is exclusively for playpen and nursery kids, so that the settling period उनका अच्छे से होए. उनके पेरेंट्स साथ में आते हैं, and we have a 2-day orientation जिसमें पेरेंट्स खुद आकर बच्चों को सेटल करते हैं and उनके साथ उनका क्लासरूम एटमॉस्फेयर enjoy करते हैं.
So I look forward to that also. On 8th of March, we are doing our first carnival also. And the theme is Colors of India. And I look forward to seeing everybody there. We've got great round of sponsors as well. I have a carnival on 8th of March and theme is Colors of India. So उसमें beautifully you'll see the taboos and the children dancing in the train and वही छोटे बच्चे of age group of 5 and few of them have graduation on that day as well because according to NEP हम second standard and fifth standard and 8th की graduation करवाते हैं तो वो उसी दिन होंगी. Plus we have sponsors like Tigeria, Kulcha Land, Q Academy, Scholar. So all of them are going to come along, HDFC, and we're going to have a big show. And we are rather very excited for 8th of March. And then as I told, we have the Me and Mom orientation on 18th of March. So we are rather very excited for that as well.